of the absolute. There are two things, absolute and relative. This is relative world. Here we cannot understand one thing without the other. As soon as we speak that here is sun, there must be fire. As soon as we say here is husband, there must be wife. As soon as we say here is servant, there must be master. As soon as we say here is light, there must be darkness. This is called relative world. One has to be understood by other relative terms. But there is another world which is called absolute world. There the master and the servant the same. There is no distinction. Although one is master and other is servant, but the position is the same. So, the second chapter of Bhagavad Gita is giving us some hint about the absolute world, absolute knowledge. How that knowledge can be attained, that is being spoken by the absolute Supreme Person, Krishna. Krishna is the absolute Supreme Person. Ishvara Parama Krishna, Satchidananda Vigraha, Anadi Ragi Govinda Sarvakaram Karam. This is the definition of Krishna given by Lord Brahma in his book known as Brahma Samhita, very authorized book. This book was collected by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu from southern India, and he presented it to devotees when he came back from southern India.